Hello friends, this is Prashati. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's intro, I'm without makeup because I'm getting ready for a wedding function. So I thought let's make a video on the topic get ready with me. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching, and also if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And yeah, let's get started. Now I will go and take a shower and then I will do my hair. So I was thinking of doing curling my hair, so I will do that, and then I will do my makeup. So I will keep my makeup light and simple because it's a day function, and also it's summer, so I don't want to put heavy makeup on my face. So yeah, let's do this.
A few moments later.